Hello guys, today I am sharing pizza recipe with you all. I hope you will enjoy watching this recipe. See, you can make such delicious pizza at your home. With this recipe, you can make 7 pizzas. It's very healthy and tasty made from wheat flour. It's a super delicious recipe. You can make pizzas for kitty party or any other party. So come on, let's make pizzas. Let's make pizzas from scratch itself. We are using 3 cups of water. We'll heat this water. We only need lukewarm water for this. Now we'll add yeast in it. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix them well. Now we are adding 5 cups of wheat flour. Now we'll add some salt. Mix it well. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. This is soaked yeast. We'll use it for kneading the dough. Now we'll knead dough. Guys, don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones so that they can also enjoy having this yummy pizza. See, we are kneading dough. We'll add some oil in it and knead it. Let the dough soak oil. Knead this dough until it soaks oil. Now we'll spread some oil on it. Cover it for 4 hours. Let's marinate some capsicum. Add some onions, paneer cubes, salt, black salt, red chili powder, black chili powder, dry coriander powder, hing, oil, lemon juice. Mix it well. Marinate it. Pizza dough has fermented and risen up. See, we'll mix it once. I have taken a dough ball. Now we'll spread some flour on round oven-proof dish. Now I am giving round shape to pizza dough ball. Spread it with hands. I have given it a round shape. With a fork, I am pricking it. I am adding sauce on it. Sauce recipe link I am adding in description. Now grate some cheese on it. Now we'll spread marinated vegetables on it. We'll spread some more cheese on it. Now spread some oregano and chili flakes on it. Spread some oil on it. Now we'll bake this at 230 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So it's getting baked. See, it's rising up. Our yummy pizza is ready. Yummy hot pizza. If you like pizza, don't forget to hit the like icon. See, guys, you can also make McDonald's style and Domino's style pizza at home with your own hands itself. Please do try this recipe and share your feedback in comment section. See, we are making one more pizza. Second pizza is also ready. Yummy pizzas for hungry tummies. We'll soon be back with new recipe. Thanks for watching this recipe. Have a good day.